Welcome to the third edition of Let Me Show You Missouri. Today we're going to talk about Independence, Missouri. Independence, Missouri is known as the Queen City of the Trails. Every year in September, the Queen City of the Trails is celebrated with a festival called Santa Callaghan Days. Santa Callaghan Days is named because Independence was where all three of the main trails in pioneering times originated: the Santa Fe, the Oregon, and the California, Santa Callaghan. We have learned a lot about the Oregon Trail, but the other trails were equally as important. As you look at this video, and Harrison narrates it, you'll see that he's at a museum called the Three Trails Museum, set up to tell us all about pioneering times and about all the great things that happened in Independence during that time. You'll also see a log cabin schoolhouse, which was used back in pioneering times to teach kids. That's where they went to school. Those of you who are Shining Stars might remember the one-room schoolhouse that Laura and Mary attended in Little House in the Big Woods. You'll also see another picture of an original train post and a statue of a man named Jim Bridger. Jim Bridger is a very interesting character. You might want to take some time to do some research on him. He was a very famous American mountain man and trapper. So he would do a lot of traveling through the mountains, forging trails. He followed Lewis and Clark on some of their expeditions, and he also then started his own expeditions. He could speak 3 languages, which really helped him communicate well with the Native Americans. So take some time, learn about Jim Bridger if you'd like, and know that here in Independence there's a middle school named Jim Bridger Middle School.